In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze a video frame in CapCut PC. If you need to pause your video on one exact moment so you can explain something clearly, highlight a detail, or give your audience a little more time to look at what's on screen. CapCut makes that really simple. The nice thing is that you can do it in just a few quick moves once you know where to click. To begin, look down at your timeline and find your main video clip. Click directly on that clip one time so it becomes selected. You'll know it's selected when you see it highlighted with a white border. This part matters because CapCut needs to know exactly which clip you want to edit before you freeze anything. Once your clip is selected, move to the vertical playhead on the timeline. This is the line that shows the exact point you're currently viewing in the video. Click and drag that playhead left or right until it sits exactly on the frame you want to freeze. Try to be as precise as possible here because the image under that playhead is the frame CapCut will lock in place. If you're freezing a moment to explain a step or point out something important, taking an extra second here can make the result look much cleaner. When the playhead is positioned on the exact frame you want, move your mouse up to the quick toolbar above the timeline. Look for the Freeze tool. It's labeled Freeze and uses a small layered square icon. Click it once and CapCut will instantly create a frozen version of that exact frame. If you prefer using shortcuts, you can also press Alt and F on your keyboard to do the same thing a little faster. After that, look back down at your timeline. CapCut will automatically split the original video clip and insert a separate freeze block right in the middle. This is helpful because it gives you direct control over how long that paused frame stays on screen. To adjust the length of the freeze, place your cursor on the outer right edge of the freeze block. Then click and drag it sideways to extend it. The farther you stretch it, the longer the video will remain still before continuing into the next live section. This is especially useful if you need more time for narration or want viewers to focus on a visual detail without the video moving too quickly. And that's it. You've selected the exact frame, applied the freeze tool, and adjusted the duration so the pause fits your timing perfectly. Your frozen frame is now ready to use in your CapCut PC edit.